Hi, Mr. Amir. It's a beautiful evening after rainfall in Valencia town, Lahore, and please subscribe my channel. I'm Muhammad Amir Taj for Moroccan Geographic Society. It's a very beautiful sight. I can show you the beautiful skies and evening skies, and it's a treat to watch. And I can make you more clear. It's a beautiful sight to watch. It's after rainfall, it's an evening sky, and you can see the red sunlight coming out of the cloud. It's a beautiful to watch all around. And do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and so to bring you more videos from Lahore, Pakistan. I welcome all the people around the world to visit Pakistan, and it's a safe place, a beautiful place to live and have a nice life here. And I can show you the vicinity. It's so great to watch, and the sun is drooping down, and I am really happy to see this beautiful nights, evening skies. And I can show you more closer look. It's a beautiful sight to watch all around. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do subscribe my channel. I'm Muhammad Amir Taj from Moroccan Geographic Society, Lahore, Pakistan. Thank you very much.